Okay, now we've done a lot of Python, but we haven't done anything kind of graphical. So the first thing we want to do is figure out how to bring in some graphics. So we're going to actually pull in a module into here, and this one's built right into Python, so it's super easy. So, whoops. So the first thing we've got to say is from TKINTER import. And that's going to give us a graphic interface. Oh, GUI, which is Graphic User Interface. So the first thing we need to do is tell it we want a window. So we want to create a window, a pop-up window. And so the command is TK in brackets. Now if we run this, what's going to happen? Nothing, because we haven't told it to actually, ran great, good work, but we have to add one more line. And so that's about the window, it says window.main loop, and that's going to actually push it onto the screen. So let's clear that, and then run it, and ta-da, there is our window. Now, great work, I'm really excited, right? Except we want to be able to customize that. So our first step is just to play with how we're going to customize that. So there's a ton of stuff we can do. We got to stop this because it's still running while the window is open. So let's start with just the size. So again, we're going to come down here and say window dot geometry, and then we're going to just pick a size. And so let's say 400 pixels times 400 pixels. And now let's run that. And there is our 400 pixel by 400 pixel window. Now, you'll notice right here it just says DK. So let's give it a title. And again, window dot title, surprise, right? And what are we going to say? Whoops. We need round brackets. Okay, this is my first window. Wow. I should have said wow, I'm cool, but here we go. Okay, nice. Now, what if we wanted to give it a color? Let's try that next. Window dot config, and then we could say something like background and then a color. Now, pink. Let's try that. Oh, doesn't like pink because it is not in quotes. Better, right? Okay. Well, let's. So there it is. Wow, good work, Mr. Lagarde. Now, what if I wanted to have like magenta? And I honestly don't really know what magenta is. But what we could do is let's come in here. And let's go hex color, spelled the American way, picker. And then here we go. And I still don't really know what color magenta is. Let's say it's like a purpley red, maybe, or purple. Okay, so there's the color that I want right here. And I can just come in and copy and paste that hex code. So let's copy that. Let's go back in here, and instead of saying pink, let's put in the code for maybe what we think is magenta. I don't really know. Wow, looking great. Clearly magenta, whatever that is. Okay, so lots of things. We can keep going with this.